I'll explain with the ERP. So on the demo session, we talk about the ERP. What is ERP? In short, I'll explain that because some people are already attended the demo session. So ERP is a enterprise resource planning. That means that everything what is happening in the industry, the manufacturing industry or any industry, even the finance or anything what is happening with the help of ERP, they integrate the modules and then they proceed with the all the functionalities of their industry into one page. So this is all ERP. I hope uh, you guys have idea. If anyone don't have, let me know so I'll explain more clearly on that. Guys, you need to speak out, or else I'm not able to understand you guys are getting my points or not.
Explain it now.
Okay. So what happened whenever there is a any industry model designed, they have some manufacturing like I'm manufacturing a EV vehicle or EV bike. So I need to uh, have a battery, have a router on that, so that router can rotate, and then we have a tires, brakes. So all are the different manufacturers, right? But handling this because I'm not manufacturing a single particular bike. I need to manufacture 1,000 or 2,000 orders of that. So how I can manage the paperwork of that? So if I am going to start with the material, so I'll require a material like tires, brakes, and lights. So everything should be because I am the customizing the thing. I am not the vendor of. I am not the person who is manufacturing the tires, or I am not the person who is manufacturing the uh, your uh, your lights or anything. So at that time you need to go with the different vendors and you order something from them, and you order some 2,000 tires, so front wheel, back wheel, and you order the brake and everything. So I'm just customizing. You order the batteries from different, like Excite have the battery system and MRF or tires. So different vendors should be there. Okay, to manufacture to to manufacture such type of bikes or anything, you need some system to get the record of this. How what are the quantity of this particular material? What are the amount you paid to them, or what are the consignment you have? It means you send the light framework to them and they fitted the light because have expertise to that, right? So whenever, so in this diagram we are doing engineering, right? So we are manufacturing something. So here we are manufacturing something, right? And we need a material from vendor. So here I need a material. So I need to have a record somewhere that okay, uh, uh this is what my my vendor record. This is my vendor transaction. This is what my customer transaction. So for that, there, so like when we started manufacturing, there is a employees who is working. There is an engineer, product engineer who is working. Then when the product is ready, we need the distribution team to send this product to different our layout of franchisees. Then marketing team who market that, like providing the ad, banners, and all are connected with the finance, right? Everything start with the finance business. When you call it a business, that means it start with the finance, because nothing is happening without money, right? So finance is the main factor. To arrange this finance, we have a system called ERP, where the finance can be arranged with the different areas. You got the point now? Everyone is clear?
Yes.
So ERP is that
Yes.
tool. Okay. So, guys, you need to be communicative more than me. So, if you have any question, anything, you can directly ask me. Okay, Par, this is not we are not getting this point, or this need to be explained again. So at last end of the day, you don't need to be miss out, and don't need to be confused with anything. Okay. Then we have talked about the, I have explained that example of ERP, like manufacturing company, they have the different modules, and they have integrated into same and maintain the record. And on the basis of record, they create the report. Okay, so you heard about the financial profit, financial loss, or your quarterly loss or quarterly profit. This is the portfolio of particular company, like you see in the stock market or other stuff. So that is what the total in and out, which is the gross and the profit and everything, is merged together and send one report to government. And this is what we see in the stock markets or everywhere. So this is how it works. So integrating all such things can be happen with one tool is called ERP. So SAP is one of the ERP tool, so that integrate the different module, like HR, SD, PP, QM, PRA. So this type of modules, they integrate together and provide the reporting tools or your display tools to users. So that is why every company is rely on to SAP, because they have one of the solution called ECC, which is most favorite till the time, and that is the best solution they have provided. And now they are moving to the HANA or cloud solutions. Okay, everyone is clear till the time what is SAP and
Yes.
what is ERP? Okay. So
Yes.
so in 1970 we have in SAP we have a single tier architecture where we I will speak a lot in this scenarios what is SAP. So you can go with a little bit of, I'll give you the little bit of frame of what exactly SAP do. So in 1970 they invented this tool called SAP, and this is a single tier architecture. We'll discuss today itself what is the architecture and how SAP process flows. So this is, and 1980s they mainframe they starting. So I'll show you on the particular system what is the system and how it look like. And then they have invented continuously the innovation going on with the SAP to make it more frequent and more usable and user friendly. So this is how the SAP. This is not the interview part. This is just for your basic knowledge how SAP started. So it is a architecture level, three tier. Then the fourth generation come, and then they go on to the S4, and now they are moving to the cloud. Okay. Now SAP integrated. I said the SAP is an integration tool. So when I say SAP is an integration tool, that means it is not a single module. So SAP works as a suite. Suite in the sense the combination of model. They have the some basic model, like whenever you buy a phone, so there is a combination of charger, cable, your documentation, and the phone. So this is the combination, is the standard combination that we have, right? When you go to buy a phone, so that is the same thing. Whenever you buy a SAP module or SAP suite, there are some basic standard modules, that is the generic solution what they call, and that the solution have basic modules included in that. Okay, so everyone is clear?
Yes.
uh, you guys, someone is not in mute, I think. Please go on mute. I'm having this disturbance. Okay, so this is how the SAP module work. Then introduction of ABAP. We talked a lot in demo session. What is introduction? So ABAP is what the it is a language which is you can say whenever you going to integrate anything that can be uh, designed by ABAP. So anything what is happening around the SAP is there is only one language which is called ABAP. It is like a Java Oracle, but it is a closed resource, not an open resource. So you are not able to write a ABAP code in open resource tools.